Okay, today is December 30th, um, 2020. 2 more days left of this year. I'm setting up studio for myself, video studio, to record math videos, right? So I'm planning to build and record math videos. So yeah, lights are on, green screen in case I need it. And here's the camera. I built a teleprompter. That's DIY, D, do it yourself, DIY project, right? So it's just 2 picture frames, and yeah, that you can build it yourself as well. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the setup, and yeah, we'll see what I'll get from here.